First, you need some jagua henna and something to keep your hair back. Remove the pin from the end of the cone and set it aside for later. Start by lightly drawing an outline where you want the color to be. Do your best, but it doesn't have to be perfect. The edges of the stain are going to be soft, not harsh like an eyeliner pencil. Once you're happy with the shape, go back over the outline a little bit thicker. Once you're happy with the outline, start filling it in. You'll want to apply it pretty thick here, and press down a bit so it's in full contact with your skin. You're actually staining your skin here, not your eyebrows. Now repeat on the other side, starting with the lightly traced outline first. Remember, it doesn't have to be totally perfect. The lines are going to be very soft. Now just take a final look and make sure there aren't any rough edges. Now let it sit for 10 minutes. After washing it off with soap and water, you'll notice it is bright orange at first. That's totally normal and will only last that first day. Over the next 24 to 48 hours, it'll darken up perfectly.